everyone, this is Bushra Malik and I'm a student of Campus Law Center, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, and I'm currently intern at ubAdvocate under the guidance of Mr. Jeevan Prakash, who is an advocate on record in the Supreme Court. In this video, I'll be talking about the 9 grounds on the basis of which a Muslim wife can file for divorce. These grounds are given under the Section 2 of Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939. On the basis of these grounds, she can obtain a decree for the dissolution of her marriage from the court. Now, let's begin. The first such ground is absence of husband. So, if the wife doesn't know the whereabouts of the husband for 4 years or for more than 4 years, or if he goes missing for 4 years, then she can file for divorce. The next such ground is failure to maintain. So, it is the duty of the husband to maintain the wife or to fulfill the basic needs of the family. So, if the husband fails to maintain the wife, then she can file for divorce. The next such ground is imprisonment of husband. So if husband does any crime and he gets convicted for that crime for 7 years or for more than 7 years, then she can file for divorce. But a decree for the dissolution of her marriage can only be passed if the sentence of the husband becomes final. Now the next ground is failure to perform the marital obligations. So, as we all know, it is the duty to perform the marital obligations of both the parties to a marriage. So, if the husband fails to perform those marital obligations for 3 years without any reasonable cause, then she can claim for divorce. The next ground is impotency of husband. So, if the husband was impotent at the time of the marriage and continues to be so, then she can claim for divorce. The sixth ground is insanity, leprosy, or venereal disease. So if the husband is suffering from any kind of insanity, leprosy, or any virulent venereal disease, doesn't matter whether it is curable or non-curable, if he is suffering from such kind of diseases for 4 years or for more than 4 years, then she can file for divorce. The next ground is repudiation of marriage by wife. This ground is also known as option of puberty. So if let's say the wife was given in the marriage by her family or by her relatives, she was given in the marriage before attaining the age of 15. Now she has the right to repudiate the marriage before attaining the age of 18. But it can only be possible, a decree of the dissolution of her marriage can only be passed if the marriage was not consummated. So if the marriage gets consummated, then she can not file for divorce. The eighth ground is cruelty by the husband. So if husband treats the wife with cruelty, or if he inflicts the cruelty on the wife, and it can be any kind of cruelty, I mean it can be physical or mental. So if he treats the wife with cruelty, then she can file for divorce. And I'll be telling some examples which we can include in the cruelty. So if he habitually assaults the wife, or if he makes her life very miserable, or if he disposes of the property of the wife without her consent, if he obstructs her from performing her religious practices, or if he is having more than one wife and he treats her unequal, if he doesn't give the equal treatment to all the wives as per the injunctions of the Quran, then she can claim for divorce. Now the next and last ground is grounds of dissolution recognized by Muslim law. So basically it is the residuary kind of ground, and it covers all the grounds which are not recognized under category 1 to category 8, which I have already told you, and these are valid under Muslim law, but these are not separately recognized. So we can take the example of Lian, where the Muslim husband accuses the wife for adultery. Basically he falsely accuses the wife for adultery, so she has right to claim the divorce. So these were the grounds, these were the 9 grounds on the basis of which a Muslim wife can claim divorce. Thank you.